Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline within the Fortnite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fortnite game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the play screen. From here, if you wish to appear offline within your game, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on the gear icon. From here, click on the account icon at the top section within the right side, and now you will see the logout option. Go ahead and click on logout and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to log out from this account. Just proceed with confirmation and you will be logged out from your Epic Games account on Fortnite right away, which means that your online status will also be hidden from your friends. And there you have it. That is how you can hide your online activity and appear offline within the Fortnite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.